Now I will solve the problem number 21 from the chapter 27 survey book. Okay, the problem 21 is the what is the friction? We have to calculate the frictional change in resistance in iron filament when the temperature change from 25 to 50. Okay, as the cold temperature is cold temperature is 25 that and it raised to 25 centigrade, and it raised from 25 to so hot temperature will be 50 centigrade. Okay, we have to find the frictional resistivity of iron. As we know that uh, so we have to find the resistivity. While we know that temperature coefficient for iron, temperature coefficient of resistivity for iron is uh, 5 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Uh, s- and we know the formula is R H is equal to R cold 1 plus temperature coefficient multiplied by uh, T hot minus T cold. Okay, so from uh, here we may calculate the temperature coefficient, that is RC plus R C into alpha TH minus TC. So we have to calculate the frictional change in resistance. That is our H, frictional change in resistance, fric- frictional change in resistance. That is our H minus RC. That is RC. That's right. We have to calculate this, and this is TH minus TC. Or you may say that the friction change in resistance, that will be RH minus RC divided by RC, that is alpha TH minus TC. Alpha is a 5 10 raised to power minus 3, temperature 50 minus 25, or you may say that of 5 10 is to power minus 3, that is 25. So answer will be equal to 0.125. As we know that you may 25 multiplied by 5, that would be 125, 10 raised to power minus 3, and so uh, if I 1.25, sorry, so this will be a 0.125 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to power minus 3. So that will be a 0.125 5. This will be your answer. Okay, so this will be our answer. If you have any type of question, put your question in at the comment box. it will be highly appreciated. Thank you very much. Now we will go toward the next question.